Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use CMS in Webflow. Webflow's content management system is a powerful tool for building dynamic websites. It lets you create and manage all your site's content, from blog posts to product listings, in a structured way. This separation of content and design means you can update your site's information quickly and efficiently, without ever touching a line of code. It's perfect for maintaining a flexible and scalable web presence. The first step is to build your CMS collections. Head over to the CMS panel in your Webflow Designer, which is located on the left-hand side. Here, you will click Create New Collection and give it a clear name like Blog Posts or Team Members. Then, you'll define the fields for your content, such as a plain text field for titles, an image field for featured images, or a rich text field for detailed descriptions. Once your collections are set up, it's time to populate them with content. Within each collection, you will find a button to add a new item. Click this to create an individual piece of content, like a single blog post or a specific product. Carefully fill in all the fields you defined earlier, such as the title, main image, and body text. You can always go back and edit, duplicate, or remove items as needed, keeping your content fresh. The final step is to display your dynamic content on your website pages. Drag a collection list element onto your canvas from the Elements panel. In the settings, link this list to the specific CMS collection you want to showcase. Then, inside the collection list, you can bind elements like text blocks or images to the corresponding fields from your collection items. This allows your content to automatically populate, creating a truly dynamic and easily updatable website.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.